Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to give you guys a quick video of the two Clairmont houses we just finished. We have two of them side by side. I'm actually standing behind one of them right now. The next one is next door. You can see it there in the background. I'm going to take you through an individual tour of each house because I feel like a video will give you a better understanding of what the house looks like. So here we go. Let's take the tour. This is 2661 Clairmont Road. That is 2669 Clairmont Road. We'll give you a separate video for that. But for right now, let's check out this house with the shed roof. We call this the sexy house. Let's go inside. Walk in the front door and you enter the main area. Big, beautiful kitchen. And this is one big open space with your floating staircase, living, dining right in the middle, and the big kitchen that goes all the way to the end of the wall. Got a little sitting area here. These cool island pendants. And your kitchen cabinets take that entire wall. You got a closet and pantry there. And off of the garage door, you've got this cool little mud area with built-ins to hang your coats and shoes. Here's your garage. Big tall ceiling garage, access to the back deck. We took the railings and carried them out into the garage. See, it's a nice large garage. Here you have the kitchen island that overlooks the main living space. Got a closet off the front there. Backyard, big back deck we did. Huge deck off the back. And again, connecting into the garage. And a nice big backyard. It wraps all the way around. Fenced in, privacy. Lots of space. It's your electric fireplace that's actually powered by gas. You turn it on with just the flip of a switch. And then here on the main level you have a full bathroom. That has the tub shower section sectioned off separately. And then this is the bedroom or office on the main level. Let's go to the second story. Right off to the right, you've got your nice large laundry room. And then right here off the staircase, you have an upstairs living room with a wet bar. This is a second area for people to come and hang out and get away from the folks that are hanging out downstairs. And you've got 3 bedrooms up here. This is the first spare bedroom. And they all have very large closets. And then you've got another bedroom just like it over here. Hardwoods throughout the entire house. Cool transom window to bring in some extra light. And then you've got this large double vanity bathroom here to serve those 2 bedrooms. Again, the transom and the shower to bring in some light from outside. Big mirrors. Again, the upstairs living room that overlooks the backyard. And the master bedroom. Nice big master here. Lots of windows, lots of light. Plenty of room for furniture and a big bed. And then you've got the master bath. We went with the dark tile and the bronze theme in here, so you got his and hers vanities. These cool lights. right on the glass. Freestanding tub. That cool tub filler and hand shower. And again, another vanity, nice and large, lots of storage. And then you have the his and hers master shower. Two shower valves, two shower heads, plus the rain head. Enough room for 2 people to shower. Got the toilet room here. And the best part is the giant master closet. We did all these custom built-ins. Get all this storage. You can put a nice ottoman or island, piece of furniture there. Lots of room. And that's it, guys. I'll give you a tour of the next house coming up.